Do the same thing with the zucchini, skin on, and you're going to do the same thing with the eggplant, skin on. And all those vegetables you guys are going to cook together in your sharing pots next to each other. Okay? It's going to be groovy, I promise you. Now the eggplant we're going to share because they're big. So I'm going to go ahead and cut them in half so you guys can share. Everybody gets their own half. And then you're going to treat them like any other vegetable. Eggplant, you guys need an eggplant. We having fun yet?
Hell.
So then when I come, so come a half hour from now, they're going to be ready.
Vegetables with oil and salt and pepper sauteed.
And do not hesitate to ask questions. That's how we learn. I ask questions all to fish and then dessert. Okay? So, what I want everyone to do is put a little bit of oil in their pan, as much as you think, and salt and pepper. Here's your salt.
Usually you put the oil first, though, right?
Well, we're going to put it in before we turn it on.
Okay.
So, put your oil and your salt and pepper in your vegetables once you're ready. Don't no rush. I'm just giving you a heads up. So,
That's good.
Yeah, I did.
So that's probably 4 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons? Would that
Yeah, I mean, you know, usually
yes.
what we do
and you
is
can always add.
we usually put the oil in first and just let it get hot.
Okay.
And he just did it so that you'd have a convenient place to put the vegetables. But usually you would turn the oil first
Gotcha.
and heat it up
Okay.
on like a medium flame.
Okay. So do we turn it on?
It's
or-
off. Let me show you what I got.
Yours?